a Soundgarden beat came up. Now I can't remember like the sound of Soundgarden. I just think they're like softish rock, right? And that guy, Chris Cornell, is the singer. That's all I remember. But I can hear I can hear Chris Cornell's voice, but I can't really place the music. Is that weird? I gotta listen to it, I guess. But here's a beat, Soundgarden style. But something comes down to me to say I'm gonna play this sort of like a guitar.